They said Vegas was recession-proof. They said the glitter, the noise, the sheer audacity of the Strip would never stop. They were wrong. Across Nevada, from the slot machines to the high roller tables, something is missing in 2025. Tourists. The silence is spreading, and it is costing America billions. Nationally, the U.S. faces up to a $100 billion economic hit this year from declining international tourism and silent boycotts. But that number is abstract. Vegas is where the abstract becomes terrifyingly real. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps spread this video to those that need to see it. This isn't just a travel video. It's a wake-up call about what happens when geopolitical disrespect finally hits the American economy where it hurts most. We're breaking down the 7 silent strikes that are killing Las Vegas, turning the world's entertainment capital into an epicenter of American decline. The Strip has lost 2.2 million visitors. That's an entire city erased from the books. This isn't just a slump, it's a systemic failure. The journey to the U.S. no longer feels like an adventure. It feels like a risk. Travelers are choosing Mexico, Portugal, and the Caribbean because they are seeking what they call a friendlier, more relaxed experience. But this collapse isn't just about lost high roller profits. The job losses are hitting the American middle class first. Las Vegas unemployment is now hitting 5.4%, the second highest rate in the country. We're talking about cocktail waitresses, taxi drivers, and dealers quietly being laid off because the tables are empty. This is the true face of the American tourism collapse, the slow, painful erosion of local jobs. Vegas used to rely on Canada. It's Nevada's single largest international market, but that loyalty is gone. Flight bookings from Canada to the U.S. have dropped by over 70%, and total arrivals to Vegas specifically are down over 35%. Mayor Shelley Berkeley said the Canadian flow went from a torrent to a drip. Why? It's not just the price hikes, it's the tone, it's the politics. After years of feeling like family, Canadians felt pushed out, not priced out. They were fed up with the political rhetoric and the mockery. The core belief is that the U.S. thought they could do just fine on their own. Vegas is now finding out the exact same painful lesson. This quiet protest is a statement of national pride. The money is simply being taken to America's competitors. Adding to the shock is the contradiction. While visitor numbers are collapsing, down 7.8% year-to-date, officials are boasting that overall gaming revenue is up 5.5%. This is the 5% lie. That small gain is driven almost entirely by highly volatile baccarat games played by a small pool of high rollers. The reliable, repeatable income, the mass market, the road trippers, the Canadians, that foundation is collapsing. Meanwhile, the desperation is showing. The city recently ended the first area-wide Las Vegas sale in its history, featuring over 100 discounts of up to 50%. This isn't marketing. This is institutional panic. When Vegas starts discounting, the world knows the crisis is real. For allied citizens, the border now feels like a wall, a digital wall. U.S. border agents are actively searching devices, laptops, phones, without warrants. A record 15,000 electronic devices were searched in a 3-month period alone. The Canadian government has officially warned its citizens to expect these searches. This process of scrutiny has created a massive deterrent, impacting spontaneity and freedom of travel. You never know when you'll be the one pulled aside. Whether you visited a country flagged by the State Department, or if an AI algorithm flags your political dissent as anti-American. This is not just theoretical. We've seen stories of Australians detained and cavity searched, and 2 German teens deported despite valid travel authorizations. For European countries like Germany and Spain, which reported over 20% declines in US-bound travel, these stories confirm the US is no longer a dependable destination. This isn't just a tough year for Vegas, it's a fundamental shift. The U.S. is the only country among 184 major economies projected to see a decline in international visitor spending this year. What was once automatic is being replaced by alternatives. Rebuilding trust takes far more than discounts and promises. Because once global trust is lost, it doesn't snap back overnight. The travelers and the opportunities they bring are directing their loyalty elsewhere, permanently. The money is moving on. We showed you the economic fallout. Now you tell me, is the loss of billions in tourism revenue, the spike in American job losses, and the quiet death of Sin City worth the political rhetoric that pushed the world away? If this story resonated with you, hit like, subscribe, and share it. It helps us get the word out. And if you were once a snowbird or someone who's chosen to walk away, drop a comment below. Your story might be in our next video.